Put a finger down, teacher edition. If you put down 5 or more fingers, then you have become the teacher that you did these things to. Put a finger down if you've ever said to your learners, "It's fine, carry on, I'm still getting paid at the end of the day." Put a finger down if you've ever asked your learners, "Is this your mother's house?" Put a finger down if you've ever told your learners, "I finished school many years ago, you still have a long way to go." Put a finger down if you've ever asked your learners, "Do you know that I don't have to be here?" Put a finger down if you've ever started a sentence with, "Back in my day." Put a finger down if you've ever said to your learners, "You realize that I still have to mark your papers, right? Carry on." Put a finger down if you've just kept quiet and given the stare. That one look, then that means trouble. Put a finger down if you've ever taken a whole period to lecture your learners on their bad behavior. Put a finger down if you've just walked out of class because you were just fed up. Put a finger down if you've had a few drinks straight after work because your learners showed you flames. So, strong.